हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका गोरोंगोरो में। और मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ यहाँ पे जो हमने बहुत सारे ढेर सारे मेजेस्टिक एलिफेंट्स को देखा है। देखिए कितने ब्यूटीफुल है, कितने मेजेस्टिक है और कितने शानदार नजर आ रहे हैं। तो चलिए आपको दिखाते हैं और इसके बारे में कुछ डिटेल्स भी जानकारी लेते हैं।
So food. That one here, they take food about 270 kilos every day. They drink the same water, liters, 150 liters. But the Ngorongoro, they get more grass, more water. They eat about 300 kilos every day. Where they need more water because they need digestion for the food. Okay? But the female is getting pregnant about 22 months. It's almost 2 years, only one baby. But the first time they got born a baby, the baby they have 250 kilos. Heavy. Heavier. So always the family, they have only one young male. But usually the female, they go to protect all the family. They are leader for the family. By the time they grow up more than 40 or 35 up to 45, they go away, the male. They go to find another family. Because the mom or the female, they go to push the old male. They need a young male. Yeah, because they have a very powerful, they have a go to protect the family, but the old men, they're lazy. They go to only drinking, only eating, sleeping. But the young one, they have a very powerful. Yeah. Any question?
No.
Yes, tell me. Ask me. Yeah, I like it.